If your videos are getting ignored, it's probably because of your title. The truth is that no matter how good your video is, no matter how good your content is, if your title does not stop the scroll, your views will stay low. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to write a title that will make people click. So stick with me. Hello everyone, I am Samuel and I help small YouTubers grow with smarter content strategies. So if you're interested in this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So in today's video, we'll be going over a simple but powerful trick that will help your YouTube titles get more attention, more clicks, and more views without being clickbait. So let's just dive into the topic. So, my dear creators, before you even craft a title, you need to lead with emotion or value. Your title needs to instantly tell people the reason why they should click. And you know, all these emotion or value-driven titles usually trigger curiosity. When people see such titles, they will be triggered to click and know what the video is about. Instead of saying how to bake a cake, why not say are you tired of baking a boring vanilla cake? Try this recipe right now. It's like you just listed the problem and you promised a solution. That is why you need to lead with emotion or value. You need to do this so that people will see your videos and start clicking. When your title promises a solution to the problem, they will instantly click. So try this when next you want to create your video. The second tip I'm going to be giving you guys is to use numbers, power words, and brackets. For the numbers help your titles to be more specific. You can say, for example, 3 ways to make money. That's what I mean. So it will help your titles to be more specific. Then for the power words, you can use words like proven, warning, crazy. All these words, these phrases, you can use it in your title. It will push people to click on your videos. Then for the brackets, your brackets, you can it helps your title to be more structured. For example, how to create a YouTube video. You now write it in brackets, beginner friendly. That's what I mean. Then you can have things like in brackets, warning, do not do this before you create a YouTube channel. This is what you need to be doing anytime you want to create a YouTube video. Try to be using numbers. Numbers will be it will help your videos to be more specific. Then your power words, it will push people to click on your videos. Then the bracket will help your titles to be more structured and they will know exactly why they are clicking your YouTube video. The third tip I'm going to be giving you is to make it about the viewer, not you. You have to be selfless. Do not be selfish when you want to create your YouTube title. For example, now you can write something like my YouTube growth journey. This kind of title sounds self-centered, and when people see it, they will not be interested to know what your journey is about or what you did to get to where you are on YouTube. So I would advise you to use something like how I got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and how you can too. This kind of title includes you and also makes the viewer feel involved. So when next you want to create your video, when next you want to create a title, try to put this in mind. Make it about the viewer, not you. Always include the viewer into your titles. That way, people will definitely click on your videos. The fourth tip that I'm going to be giving you guys is to make sure that you match your title and your thumbnail. See, your thumbnail and your title, your TNT, they are the most important things that you need to work on as a creator. So before you even create your video, you need to sit down and craft an amazing thumbnail and a good title. So for your thumbnail, make sure that your thumbnail is well designed and make sure that it matches your title. For example, now when you've written your title, when you've come up with the title, make sure that your thumbnail matches your title. Make sure that the words on your thumbnail kind of matches your title. You don't have to write exactly what you wrote on your title into your thumbnail. It won't be looking professional. For example, now you can make a video on how to get views on YouTube. Then your thumbnail should be like a picture of you happy. Then you can add text, bold text, as in the kind of text that the colors are popping. Then the text that you can write there can be, maybe you can add 500,000 views plus sign, that kind of thing. Just try it. You don't have to write exactly what you wrote on your title into your thumbnail. It won't look professional. Just make sure your title and your thumbnail matches, because when they don't match, people will be confused. They will not click on your videos. So if they match, they will definitely click on your videos. Your thumbnail works the magic. Your title also works the magic. So if they don't match, nobody will click on your videos. So try to correct this issue. What I have to tell you is that you should make sure that your title promises a solution. Make sure it promises a solution, because if it does not promise a solution, nobody will click on your videos. So try to make your title to be more valuable and emotional. try to dig in, craft an emotional title, a title that when somebody see, they'll say this creator is talking about me, so the person will click. So try to do or try to create such titles. When you do it, people will start clicking on your videos. The fifth tip that I'm going to be giving you guys is to use the YouTube search bar and tools. So how do you use the YouTube search bar in crafting a title? So before you even create your video, you need to go to the YouTube search bar and type in that video, the title of that video that you want to create. Type it on the YouTube search bar, and as you're typing, the words that people searched for will start coming up, will start popping out. So you can like go through what people are looking for, what people are searching for. Then from there you can decide to craft your own title from what people are searching for. That way, when you create your video, people will definitely click on that video because they are literally searching for it. That is what I mean by using the YouTube search bar. Try to do it when next you want to create a video. It is very easy to do. That is what I did before creating this video. That video title you're looking at, that is exactly what I did. I went to the YouTube search bar and I typed in the topic of my video, and when I saw the topic, I decided to use it. To create my video. Then you can also use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to create your next video. vidIQ and TubeBuddy can help you with phrases that people are using, phrases that people are searching for on YouTube, and they can help you come up with titles. I've used it before. I've used vidIQ before, and I've used TubeBuddy. They are both good, and they will help you to come up with amazing titles for your YouTube video. So use tools like that. But if you don't have the money to use vidIQ and TubeBuddy, you can use the YouTube search bar. The YouTube search bar is already there for you to use, and it is free of charge. You can also use the YouTube Studio. Yes, you can use the YouTube Studio. Go to the trend space. Then when you go to the trending space, you can see the topics that are trending. Then you can copy one topic there and create. And another additional tip that I'll be giving you is to study the titles that they've already done, titles that are within your niche, titles that creators that are doing the same thing as you have already done. So study those titles and remix it. Create your own video out of those titles, and make sure that the videos you're creating, make sure that the videos performed well. Do you get what I mean? Make sure that video that you're about to create performed well. So when you copy that title, go and do your own, go and remix it and create your own video and post it on YouTube. Yes, so for this video, a creator has already created this video, so I'm just redoing the video. I'm remixing it, I'm adding my own stuff to it and what I know, information I know. So try to do yours, and people will start clicking on your videos. So my dear creators, make sure that you create good content, make sure that your content is valuable, and make sure that you don't copy others, because when you copy others, that means your channel might get deleted one day. So try to create good content. Getting your videos clicked is one thing, but getting people to watch it is another thing. When your videos are not watchable, when the first 10 seconds of a video is not even watchable, like people click on your videos and they just click off immediately, that video will not go viral. You will not get the views you so want. You get. So make sure that your video content is good, the content in your video is good, and make sure that it is not clickbait. When it is clickbait, people will click off immediately and report your videos. So make sure you create good videos, because good videos will make YouTube to recommend your videos to others. So when you create good titles, I've helped you, I've given you tips to create good titles. When you're done creating your titles, make sure that your video content is good, because when they click on your videos and your video content is not okay, they will click off immediately and that video will still not go viral. So create good content. That is the advice I'll be giving you. Then if you've created a good title and created a good content and you're not still getting views, there might be some settings in your YouTube Studio that is on, but you had no idea that they are on and they are messing up your views. So I have done a video about it, so make sure you watch the video when you're done with this one. In that video, you're going to be educated and you're going to see the settings that I am talking about, the YouTube feature settings I am talking about. So try to watch that video, and if that setting is on, try to switch it off, and if it is off, try to switch it on. One thing is that this setting, you can turn it on for your own good and you can switch it off for your own good. So just watch the video and get educated on how to use the settings properly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe and make sure you like this video so that others can see the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.